Good morning, people. Today we're making a video about the Jeep, as you guys can see, and it's about the muffler that I'm gonna replace because, as you guys can see, it's kind of messed up. Even the pipe right here, it's broken. So I am replacing it with a cherry bomb. I don't know how loud it is or what, but this is kind of loud, so I don't know. Gonna try it out first time. So I'm excuse me, I'm adding all this stuff. I'm putting everything together now, but unfortunately I bought this where I didn't buy them. I bought it wrong, like smaller, but then I went back to see if I can exchange them, but they don't have a couple millimeters bigger, so it's either 2.5 or 3. They didn't even have a 2 and 3/4, but it's still 3/4. I think is too big. So what I'm going to do is expand them, see if it works, because I never done this before, so I'm gonna try it out and see how it works. So to expand them, I'm gonna use this fella right here. I don't know how good it is, but yeah, worth the try.